Calorie burning, rebounding versus running. Imagine your body as a high-performance engine. When you run, it faces a steady gravitational force, a constant 1 g force load. But when you rebound on a mini trampoline, your body experiences not one, but up to 3 gravitational forces with every bounce. This dynamic load boosts your cardiovascular system and increases calorie burn in less time, with less perceived effort and reduced joint impact. Research in exercise biomechanics shows that dynamic forces significantly enhance energy expenditure. When you run, your muscles work consistently against a single gravitational force. In contrast, rebounding introduces a rapid sequence of forces. Initial lift. You push off the surface, overcoming gravity. Mid-air suspension. For a brief moment, you experience weightlessness. Impact and rebound. Upon landing, the rebound surface exerts an extra upward push, creating a transient load of up to 3 g forces. According to NASA's study findings, rebounding is 68% more efficient than running, meaning that the extra gravitational load stimulates your cardiovascular system to work harder, even though the perceived effort is lower. This principle underpins why rebounding can potentially burn more calories in a shorter time. Think of gravity as a series of invisible weights. Running is like carrying one steady weight on your back throughout your workout. Rebounding, however, is like intermittently lifting 3 weights with every bounce. This rhythmic surge in force not only maximizes energy output but also makes the workout more efficient overall. Let's consider some hypothetical numbers to illustrate the concept. When running, a 70 kg person might burn around 10 calories per minute during a steady run, working continuously against a 1 g force. When rebounding, under similar conditions, experiencing transient forces of up to 3 g forces during each bounce might help the same individual burn roughly 15 to 20 calories per minute. These hypotheticals can vary based on individual factors such as body weight, fitness level, the height of the rebound, and the quality of the rebounder. Rebounding not only offers a high-calorie burning, cardiovascular boosting workout, but also minimizes joint stress. This makes it especially appealing for beginners or those with joint concerns. The elastic surface of a rebounder reduces impact, making it a gentler alternative to high-impact running. Space-constrained workouts. Rebounding is ideal for smaller spaces, making it accessible for many fitness enthusiasts. While running builds endurance and lower body strength, rebounding provides a scientifically supported method to maximize efficiency, with NASA's findings reinforcing that rebounding is 68% more efficient than running. Both exercise forms have unique benefits, so consider incorporating a mix into your routine based on your fitness goals. If you're searching for a scientifically backed workout that maximizes calorie burn with less effort and lower joint impact, rebounding may be the ideal choice. Harnessing up to 3 times the gravitational force with each bounce, rebounding delivers a burst of cardiovascular intensity that traditional running simply can't match. Visualize the forces like a rhythmic surge of invisible weights. Each bounce propels you to higher efficiency and better fitness. Try incorporating a rebounding session into your routine and experience firsthand the triple gravity advantage. With less time commitment, lower impact on your joints, and the backing of scientific research, including NASA's findings, rebounding stands as a compelling, efficient, and enjoyable alternative to traditional running.